The next kind of oak I'm going to tell you about is called the canyon live oak. And it's not closely related either to the valley oak or to the black oak. It's an evergreen. It has leaves that are pretty bright green, leathery on the top, and they're about 3 to 4 inches long. On the back, it's more of a pale gray-green in color. And these oaks like to live in canyons where it's a little more moist and a little more cool. The neatest thing about a canyon live oak is the acorns. They have huge caps. They are sometimes called a golden cap oak. And this is so different than any other oak that once you see the acorn, you're going to know that it's a golden cap acorn. It comes from the canyon live oak. The acorns are about 1.5 inches long, but I think the cap is probably 1 inch or so wide at the top. The leaves of the canyon oaks stay on the trees for 3 to 4 years before they fall off, and so it's an evergreen tree. The canyon live oak is called a live oak because it's green all year long. It keeps its leaves for about 3 to 4 years and sheds some of the leaves at one time, but the appearance is that it is green all the time, and the leaves are about 3 to 4 inches long. The height is about 60 to 80 feet. The diameter of the trunk is about 1 foot to 4 feet. The branches spread out at the base of the tree. It lives about 300 years old. It's very tolerant of shade and cool, moist canyons. That's around here, that's its favorite location. And you might find it on the road. The Forest Service roads have canyon live oaks, and also the trail to Miami Mountain. Look at it, has golden cup oak, or known as canyon live oak. It's sensitive to hot fires, so it could burn. Range is from Oregon to Baja California in kind of shady, cool areas. It grows alongside pine trees or other oaks. It's the most widely distributed oak in California, and it likes sheltered north slopes and steep canyons to grow on.